Let's listen to next speaker, namely Muhammad Zishan. I would like to call upon, please come here and deliver his speech. Muhammad Zishan, please come here.
السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. الحمد لله وكفى وسلام على عباده الذين اصطفى. أما بعد فأعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. وما للظالمين من أنصار. Surah Al-Baqarah, verse number 270. Respected President, honorable judges and audience, first of all, I greet you all with the greeting of Islam, saying, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Friends, today I want to speak here before you on the topic of injustice. So please listen to me and abide by orders of Allah. You know very well that Allah is all powerful, Allah is great, so all His belongings, all His orders and all His attributes should be great. As a matter of fact, Allah orders all humans to do justice to one and all, so this order should be greatish. On the contrary, Allah orders to be away from injustice. Allah explained in the Holy Quran, إِنَّ اللَّهَ يَأْمُرُ بِالْعَدْلِ وَالْإِحْسَانِ وَإِيتَاءِ ذِي الْقُرْبَى وَيَنْهَى عَنِ الْفَحْشَاءِ وَالْمُنكَرِ وَالْبَغْيِ يَعِظُكُمْ لَعَلَّكُمْ تَذَكَّرُونَ. Surah An-Naml, verse number 90. Allah the Omnipotent, Lord ordered justice, charity, giving, poor news to near and dear ones, and He prohibits adultery and atrocity. Brothers, alas, today our society is full of sins, full of injustice, full of rapes, full of corruptions. No one is ready to erupt crimes, no one is ready to uproot them, no one is ready to end, and no one is ready to nip them in bud. Friends, our Prophet has said, Al-Zulmu Zulmatun Yawm Al-Qiyamah. Al-Hadith, injustice will be darkness upon darkness on the day of judgment. The Urdu poet Saadat Yar Khan said, Zulm ki thani kabhi phalti nahi, Zulm ki thani kabhi phalti nahi, Nao kagaz ki sada kabhi chalti nahi. All sins are injustice. Cheating is injustice, theft is injustice, atrocity is injustice, bribery is injustice. The King Najasi said, Al-Hukumatu tabaqa bil-Kufr wa la tabaqa bil-Zulm. The power remains with disbelieving but does not remain with injustice. Wa akhiru da'wana alhamdulillahi rabbil alameen.
MashaAllah.